Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Welcome to another design tutorial with your boy. Yes, my channel is all about creating designs. Yes, creating print on demand design, passive income. Yes, that is the goal, to make passive income for yourself using print on demand. I create design inspirations for you that you can simply do for yourself, create different formats for yourself and upload it to print on demand site. Talking about site like Redbubble, Teespring, matched by Amazon. If this is something you're interested in, please, I will advise you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. As you can see, I already have about 175 episodes up already. I release video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when there is time. That is the schedule. But if I have something to do, I might not release one of those days, but you expect videos on those particular days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I give shout out time to time to my new subscribers. So if it is updated, I always give shout out. So basically that's what I do. I give shout out if it's updated. So if you see your name on the screen, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I don't want to waste your time on this. I just want to go straight to the point. So I'm just going to open canva.com. Yes, I use canva.com for my designs. Stick around to the very end, or towards the end. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free on me. Yes, you heard me right. You're going to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. Free, totally free. All you have to do is to follow the instructions I give you, and you're gonna get Canva Pro free on me. Yes, so let's create a design. Let's create a design quickly for yourself, for ourselves, and let's see how it looks. We're gonna make that super easy. So the standard for this is 4500 by 5400 pixel. So just create a new design, open on a new tab. So create and open on a new tab for ourselves without wasting too much of our time. Just go straight to the point. So now that we have this opened, we're just gonna go to elements. Using element for this, we're going to go to elements. So you see, this with element, you have different sides. You can just go to see more, get. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that, not complicated. You can just go, just click, scroll, just scroll to what you want. Just look for something unique for yourself. Just look for something unique. But for me, I want to do something great here with this one. So what I'm going to do is to first put in this flower. As you can see, this unique flower. So we'll have that flower there. So I'll just make it bigger, like so. As you can see, that's just the first step for me. Then I'll go to my text. I'll click on this text and I'll just do capital L. Make that a little bit bigger. To do that, I'll just move my cursor to this edge, press down my left mouse click button and drag outwards like so. So now that I have that increased, I'll change the color because obviously I want it to match these document colors. As you can see, and Canva always give you that time to time. So you can see I can just match it around, match it to the red, as you can see. So for this, I'll just leave it at red. Then I'll just move this around. Yes, move it like so, just to match it properly. So now I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate this by pressing my Alt key button. Please follow me to the end. I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free, so make sure you don't miss that for yourself. I'm just going to duplicate this like so, and this one now is going to turn, it will be a V. Okay, it's going to be a V. You can make that bigger or leave it just the way it is. Then I'll duplicate the V Okay, I'm going to duplicate the V to give me the Eve. As you can see, sorry, that's supposed to be a capital E. This is supposed to be a capital V. Okay, as you can see, reduce this a bit. Okay, so now you see you have that for ourselves. We're not done yet, so please stick around. I advise you to stick around. We're not done yet. So now we'll go back to element and just search for, not future this time, just search for, let's say, a dog. We all love dogs. Majority of us love dogs. So now we just pick a cool looking dog. For instance, let's use this one. So now we can just move our cursor to this edge and just reduce the color a bit once more. Just drag that like so. Okay. Just drag that like so. Reduce it a bit again. So now we have the dog just like that, where we want it to be. Okay, so you can see what we're trying to get out here. Trying to get dog to match. Just move the E a bit like so. Move the V2 a bit. Okay, so now just like you love a dog, but you stop using the O, you put your dog in that circle. So now we're done with that. We just have to group this together. So to do that, you press down your shift, you press this together, and you group all this together. Okay, just group them together. You press your group button. So now you can group them and move them together as one, just like that. So now we've seen we positioned it in the middle. We can increase it by moving our cursor to this edge, pressing down our left mouse button and just increasing a bit like so. So now we have that in the middle, well positioned for us. And now we can go to the second stage. As you can see, it took us just about 7 minutes to get here. Not complicated. And this is where I tell you how to get Canva Pro. If you check the link in the description, the very first link in the description, you're going to see a link to get Canva Pro free for 30 days. If you follow that link, as soon as it opens on a new tab, sign up immediately. Yes, if you don't want to miss out, I would advise you sign up immediately so that you don't forget and lose out on designing quality for yourself. You sign up immediately. They are not going to take your cash. You have that guarantee on me that your cash is going to be intact after you open and sign up on a new tab. Your cash is definitely going to be intact. So I advise you to sign up immediately and come back so that you can get more premium images you can use for your design so that your design stands out. You have more premium images you can use to create your own unique design. Yes, you heard me right. Your super unique design for yourself. You can just come and do that for yourself without stress, without the puzzle and also you just create that for yourself. As for me, you would have seen that my profile, my thumbnail, sorry for that, my thumbnail would have had my coming without this white background. So I advise you to always do yours like that so that it comes without the white background, which is quite important if you're serious about print on demand. As you can see, just 9 minutes 21 seconds. And when you're done, you just click on download and you click on your transparent download. This is only premium, it's only for pro members, so make sure you download pro. You make sure you sign up for pro on my description, and when you're done, just click and hit your download button and it's going to prepare your download and download. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd like to say thank you. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.